Hi everyone. So mandala in Sanskrit it means circle. So there are around 10 mandala Vedas according to the book Abhinaya Darpanam written by Acharya Nandikeshwara. Structure formed by the lowering of the stance and the knees bended either side is called as a mandala Vedas. So there are around 10 mandala Vedas taken from the book Abhinaya Darpanam written by Acharya Nandikeshwara. So let's learn the mandala Vedas. Before that, let's understand the shloka that we are going to say during mandala Vedas. The shloka for the mandala Veda is Sthanakam Chaitaledham Prekhanam Preritani cha Pratyaledha Swastikam cha Motitam Samasuchika Parshvasuchiti cha Tashamandalani Ritani ha. So this is the shloka written in book Abhinaya Darpanam. So now let's learn each one of the Mandala Bheda and let's do the leg movement with it one by one. Now let's see the 10 different positions of the feet one by one. So the first one is Sthanakam. Okay, so the first Mandala Bheda is called Sthanakam. In Sthanakam, where your hands are on your waist with the Ardhachandra hand gesture, Hastamudras, which are placed back on your waist towards the back side, and where you stand straight with both the feet touching together without any gap between the leg. So this is a complete standing position where you stand straight without bending of your knees. This is called Sthanakam. Second position is Ayatam. In Ayatam position, from Sthanakam, where you turn your feet to the sideways in a Chaturashra position and you slightly bend your knees, taking a small gap between the legs. So, bending of the knees in this position. So, this is called as a Ayatam. So the next one is called Alidham. In Alidha position, where your right hand is going to be Katkamukha, left hand is going to be Shikhara, and you place your right foot forward and bend. So the Alidha position is where you place and bend. This is the Alidha. Just let me show from the side view. So Alidha will be this, where you place your feet forward, the right feet, and you bend slightly. So this is called Alida. So the next feet position where your hands are holding Kurma. So the Kurma hand gesture, which is from the Samyukta Hasta Mudra, and placing your right feet outwards, bending your knees out, downwards, and placing your right feet outwards on the heel. So this is called Prekhanam. So the next feet position is called as a Preritanicha. In Preritanicha, where you're going to hold your left hand in Shikhara and the right hand is going to be Pataka, which will be outwards. So you have to hold it out, and from the previous position come back to this position and you're going to take a jump and sit. So this is Preritanicha. So just let us see the change from the previous position to this, how it will be. So the last one was Prekhanam. Come back and start to Preritanicha. So this will be the Preritanicha. Now comes Pratyaleda. Pratyaleda, which is opposite of Aleda. position. So the same hand gestures, Katkamukha and Shikhara. Katkamukha is the right and the Shikhara is the left hand, where you from it is opposite of, as I said, Alida position, that is Pratyalida, where you come forward and bend back. So this is called as a Pratyalida. Pratyalida will be bending forward and bending back. This is called Pratyalida. That is opposite of Alida. Next feet position, that is Swastikam. In Swastika, where the feet, the right leg is crossed and your your hands are turned into Swastika Hasta. So this is called Swastika. Next, Motitam. After Swastika, Motita, where you go down in Murumandi, placing your hands in Natyarambe, and you slightly take a small jump, that is Motita. After Motita, Samasuchika, where you stand on your knees and the hands placing on your waist. So this is called Samasuchika. Last, Parshva Suchi. In Parshva Suchi, same back to a Murumandi position, hands Natyarambe, doing towards the right side. Parshva Suchi. So the last shloka for the Mandala Veda is Cha Ti Dasha Mandala Nirita Niha. So the last shloka after Parsva Suchi, that is called Cha Dasha Mandala Nirita Niha. So if you have liked, thank you all everyone for watching my videos, and your love and support means a lot. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more.